Hey everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. I am going to show you some rain boots, and these are actually coming for the upcoming collection for fall winter, I believe. It's the show with all the tweed, and we saw rain boots on there, and I was discussing this with a friend of mine. I'm like, do we need these? So one day I was in the boutique. That collection has not been released yet, but one of my friends was had ordered these. Now these are rain boots, and I think they're Rev. This is the item number. So they're Rev. So they've been released in previous collections before. I had no idea. I saw her trying them on and I'm like, I like these, and they received a few sizes. So they did have a size available and I went for it because I tried on and they seem pretty cool. So I just want to show you, because if they are coming in the next collection, maybe some of you would be interested in these, and you know, if you're ordering them, then you'll have some insight as to what to expect. I think they are coming in different colors. I think black for sure, and then there's like, I think like a khaki color as well. They also have like thigh-high ones, and I don't know if they'll fit my Funda thighs, you know, but that might be a little bit risky. They seem a bit roomy, but I'll show you these so that you have some idea. I'll take both of them out, and you know, they're rubber boots. Price wise, I mean, I don't know what the upcoming price will be, but this is what they look like. So there's like a white CC logo at the top, just like a simple boot. This is the front, and of course that's the bottom. Oh, on the back they say Chanel. So I'm pretty sure they'll be similar in style. They're maroon on the inside. They're like a burgundy on the inside, and they're actually quite comfortable. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, you can kind of see because of the light shining. So the sole, like inside, it's actually quite, there's like little bumps. It's like this jelly type of feeling. It's actually quite nice. I'm just going to put them on. They're not overly tall. I'm wearing like my Costco fleece leggings, so just, you know, not super dressed up, but on me, let me just put them on. Let's see the outfit. I really love this sweatshirt. This is from designer Duchess Apparel. Someone actually was like, oh, the S went missing on your Yves Saint Laurent sweatshirt. I'm like, it's not an Yves Saint Laurent sweatshirt. It's a play on words, and I really love it. And this is like the soft material, and I wear this a lot. Like, this is so comfortable. I'm actually gonna order the exact same one. You know, when you have clothes that you like that are comfy and you just want, you know, one for home and then one for outside, like a nicer one. I think I might order it in white as well. So I'm just gonna try these on. So I went true to size, because I'm usually a size 40, and then they had a 41 for me to try, and it fit, but it was a little bit too roomy, even wearing a sock and all that. And you know, like, if this isn't for snow, you know, like for snow, you could wear it in the snow, but then you have snow boots, right? Like you have snowshoes. Just stick in the leggings and I'll just show you how it looks. So if you guys can tell, so if you can't tell, my knees are here. So they kind of come up above mid shin. So they're not overly tall, but they hit at a pretty nice height. And like, they're comfortable. They are comfortable to walk in. Like, it's got that sort of cushy jelly sole, which is nice. They're not overly baggy on the ankle. Like, they stay up. I really love these, even with like my Costco leggings, and really great. So I'm wearing a thin sock with it, but you know, you can wear a thicker sock if you like. Or like a cashmere sock that's softer. But this is kind of a preview. Like, these are Revs, so you know, if any of you are looking, this is how it looks. And if you are planning to order them, you know, that show is out. I think people are probably ordering them or, you know, requesting sizes. So I thought this would be useful for you to see. You know, it is kind of like logo out there, but you know, that's the whole point, right? I really do like it. Even with what I'm wearing right now, it looks pretty good. Okay, everyone, let me know what you guys think, and I hope this gave you a little bit of insight as to what these look like on. Height-wise, I'm 5'6", so you know, if you're similar in height, it'll definitely be helpful. Now, yeah, so on the inside, actually, so it's like the fabric, it's kind of like a sort of fabric lining that is attached. So this is entirely rubber, but you know, it's actually like, they're really good quality, I would say. So I would say these are worthwhile getting, true to size. So if whatever your regular shoe size is, I would go. They don't come in half sizes. So if you are half size, then maybe consider perhaps going up half a size. I wouldn't go down, right? So that's all you need to know. And the Rev style, so they'll be coming in the next, not for métier d'art, but for fall winter. So yeah, for fall winter they'll be coming in. Okay, so let me know what you think. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.